Good afternoon, students. Today's topic is weighted average profit method. Under this method, we are going to calculate the value of goodwill. In order to calculate the value of goodwill under the weighted average profit method, we have to follow some important steps. These steps are: the first step is calculate normal profit. Under the step first, we have to calculate the normal profit of partnership firm. How to calculate the normal profit of partnership firm? Let's see. Take profit for each year. Then if there is any abnormal gain, it should be deducted from the profit. And if there is any abnormal loss, it should be added to profit. Under the step first, we have to calculate the normal profit. How to calculate the normal profit? By taking profit for each year, and if there is any abnormal gain, it should be deducted from the profit. If there is any abnormal loss, it should be added to the profit. Step second. Under the step second, we have to select the weight to be assigned to each year. In step number second, we are going to select the weights. The weights will be given in question. The weights will be in the form of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 जितने साल होंगे. तो इन सारे weights को हमें assign करना होगा हर साल को. Go weights will be given in the question. You have to select the weights and then assign it to each year. Step third. Under the step third, we are going to calculate weighted average profit. How to calculate weighted average profit? Let's see. For this purpose, we have a particular formula. The formula is total of weighted profit divided by total of weights. Weighted average profit को calculate करने के लिए हमारे पास formula दी हुई है. The formula is total of weighted profit. आपको weighted profit का total निकालना होगा, फिर उसको divide करना होगा number of weights या total of weights. जो वेट्स आपका दिया होगा क्वेश्चन में, उनको टोटल करके डिवाइड करना होगा. अंडर द स्टेप 4, वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ गुडविल. इन ऑर्डर टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ गुडविल, वी हैव another formula. The formula is weighted average profit into number of years purchase. Weighted average profit आपने स्टेप नंबर थर्ड में कैलकुलेट किया है. नंबर ऑफ इयर्स परचेज क्वेश्चन में दिया होगा, तो आप उसे इजीली गुडविल कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो.